Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have help. I have my sous chef with me. Look.
No, I'm the chef. She's my sous chef.
I'll just let him think that he's the chef. That's fine. I don't care. Anyways, I'm going to make vegetarian lasagna. I don't know. First time that I'm trying this because we're big meat eaters. But I've got this beautiful zucchini that I got from our garden that Fernando is going to clean up and get ready. And we're going to see what happens. Okay, let's get to it. So, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to I got to fry up the onion, which is also from our garden. Onion and the zucchini. And throw in some peppers. Yeah, so you're going to cut that up in cubes. This recipe also calls for to put red roasted peppers mixed in. So I have some from a jar. I didn't have time to make my own red roasted peppers. Yes. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to put the olive oil, which we already got. I'm just looking up at my recipe. I pin it up on my cabinet. It's easier for me to look at even if my hands get dirty, I don't have to touch the paper. Nice and neat. So put my olive oil, okay. My onions. I'm going to cook that up. That takes about 5 minutes or so. Once that's done, we're going to throw in the garlic. We're going to throw in the garlic. We're going to put in the peppers. No, sorry. The zucchini. Put my zucchini in. Nicely cubed. Okay, so let this cook for a little bit. Starting to look nice. Okay, so let that cook for about 5-10 minutes. As that cooking, I'm going to get my ricotta ready. I don't need a lot of ricotta. to do the ricotta, we just put some ricotta in the bowl. We're going to put 2 eggs. Right into that ricotta. Put a little bit of salt. And mix it up. See if those peppers are... See how big one is. Okay, ricotta mix is ready. So we got the ricotta mix is ready to go. Just get this out of the way here. We got the zucchini is nearly done.
Oh, mackerel, man.
It's not opening. Think that you're opening it.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna break my arm. I'm gonna put the hammer to it. I didn't even put it under hot water. Alright, I can't.
Oh yeah. Okay, you know what you do? Okay. Oh my God. Put your energy. Tell yourself you're going to open it. Imagine it being opened. Imagine the thing opening. It will open. Eventually. Oh, see?
Hit it with a hammer.
So throw one on here. Let me see how big it is. Oh, it's not even cut up. It's a whole pepper.
It's a whole pepper, yeah. It's in that oil, so what do I do?
Okay, so put it on here because I need it cut up. I need it cut
How many
up.
you want?
2 of them.
Look.
Okay, throw them in here. Beautiful. Okay, and the sauce.
And this parsley,
I'm gonna need the basil.
basil,
Yeah. Basil, fresh basil from our garden.
basilico.
Basilico. Throw it into this sauce.
You don't have to cut it up.
No. Beautiful. Bang, just like that. zucchini. Show you up close quickly. Nice. It's a little bit hot. So we got onion, garlic, zucchini, red roasted peppers, sauce, a little bit of salt, and fresh basil. Got it. Okay, leave that. Then we got our ricotta mix ready to go. Let's get our pan. Okay, so we're going to put the oven at 350, and I'm using the oven ready lasagna to make this today. Something a little bit on the quick side. Okay. Always helps to take the pots and pans out of the oven. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Can you smell it, Fernando?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put together the lasagna now. We're gonna layer it all up and throw it in the oven. So we're gonna put a little bit of the sauce on the bottom of the lasagna pan. We're going to start to layer the lasagna, the pasta, okay, put some of the sauce with the zucchini. Yeah, here comes the commentator. He's the one who knows how to do everything.
Supervise?
So we're going to put, yeah, the supervisor.
I come to supervise.
We're going to put some ricotta.
Lasagna like a goat.
Some cheese. Okay, another layer of pasta.
Yeah,
this is not the same lasagna that we normally make, Dad.
What's that guy's was?
This is the kind that is already oven ready. You just put it in the oven like this. It's not the regular pasta that we use.
I don't know what that was.
Yeah, don't worry. It'll come out good. I know, Dad. I know. This is, for you it's new. For the rest of the world, it's an old style way of making lasagna.
Okay, metto la lasagna, mo.
Don't worry about it.
Di solito da dolce. Where's the paper? Questo favore a Boscolui, a Reusto.
Where's the cheese, Dad?
Huh?
Where's the cheese? I need some grated cheese. Where's the cheese? If you're gonna come here, you better do something. Cheese! Cheese! Rouage! Understand rouage? Find it. Get it. Come on. If you're gonna come over here, then you gotta do something. You can't just come here and bother me. Okay? You can't just come over here to bother me. You have to come, if you're going to come in the kitchen, you have to come to work. Otherwise, don't come. Hurry up, find the cheese. Last layer. Hurry up. Thank you. Beautiful. Some cheese on top. Grated Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Throw a little bit more of the mozzarella. That's going to be so good. Okay. Ready, set, oven ready. See you in a bit. Our zucchini vegetable lasagna is fresh out of the oven. Look at that. Delicious. Dinner is ready. I can't wait.